Hey everyone, glad to see you on my channel, and if you're wondering what I'm doing with this big box right here, then let me tell you, this is not just any simple box. This is a very special box of happiness which I received from EuroKids. Now the times are such that everything has gone online, and therefore even I've chosen online classes for my 3-year-old son, and we have chosen the best preschool here, which definitely happens to be EuroKids. And recently, since he started his online classes, we have received this welcome kit, or I can say the best happiness kit that we can receive for a child of this age. So this box is filled with a lot of items, a lot of fun-based activity items that can help you prevent your child from going on to that screen time and help him indulge in offline activities. So I must say that a lot of expertise has gone behind designing this kit, because when I just peeped into it, it has multiple items that it helps your child indulge in hands-on discovery and exploration, and will keep him engaged for quite a lot of time. So what I'm going to do today is give you a walkthrough, take you through this box and show you what all this contains. Without any further delay, let's see what this box contains, and you'll be amazed at the wonderful items that comes out of this box. And if you're planning to go ahead with your kids, then you should definitely watch this video till the end, because you'll be surprised and happy to see all the lovely educational items coming out of this. So let's get started. And the first thing that I'm going to show you is this wonderful cute bag. Okay, so this is a very pretty bag, and I'm really in love with this bag. Okay, now let me just show you inside. These are these cute t-shirts. Yellow, blue and green. Okay, so let me just open and show you one of them. Okay, this is cute. So this is how it looks. Okay, this is a really pretty one, and it comes with a cap. Okay, so the EuroKids cap. So this is there in the bag, and apart from that, we have the ID card. Okay, and there's a parent manual. Okay, so this is like a very general manual. It talks about EuroKids, it talks about its activities. So these are the things in the bag, and apart from that, another very special and cute things are these badges. Okay, so we have badges. I am focused, I am content, I am compassionate. So these are badges that your child can put on, okay, and learn new words too. I'm confident, I am generous, and we have a few more. We have I'm thankful, I'm brave, and the last one is I'm responsible. Okay, so these are some of these lovely badges. And also there is something called as wordplay. Okay, so there's a wordplay kit. And apart from that, obviously we have this wonderful flashcards, you may say, and these are really nice ones. So I'll show you some of them. This happens to be a very nice way for the child to learn a lot of new things. So next, let me show you a very big box here. Okay, so this is another big box, and let's see what this box contains. Okay, so this is the activity that I'm most fond of, and I'll definitely enjoy doing this with my son. Okay, so there are, you can see, plenty of different segmented activities. Okay, and with that you have the labeling of what activity it has. So this is kind of a takeaway. Okay, takeaway at home, and it has little elements that can help you design what's written on top of that. So this is, say, a wall hanging, and there's some activity called My Parents. Okay, and a lot of them. So each has been packaged so that you do not get confused. And okay, so this is a duck. I guess this will be my son's favorite. A buzzing bee, and a lot of them. Okay, you can actually create an octopus using the elements inside this. Okay, we have plenty of them. A lion. Okay, and there are endless. You get to create a mouse, flip books, and you have create a house, a parrot. Okay, bookmarks. This is a pineapple bookmark. Okay, and there are lots more. Okay, there must be some countless number of them. Okay, so each has been packaged so that you do not have a tough time doing it. Okay, this is another nice one, a kite. Okay, so a lot of them. Okay, so I'm sure you'll definitely love doing this. Okay, creating a camera, that's interesting. Okay, so that's a lot of things in here, and you would definitely love indulging in this and creating them along with your little one. Next, I shall take you through the books that I found inside the bag. Okay, so to begin with, there's a beautiful memory book. So I guess this is something that you will need to help your child fill it up. So all about the child's likes, dislikes, what he loves doing, his hobbies. So the parental guidance would be required. Next is a very nice activity book. Okay, so this has a lot of activities that you can make your child do. And there are other books like Seasons. There's a songbook. Okay, a songbook with a lot of colorful elements here. Okay, there's a book of animals, transport, fruits, flowers, birds, vegetables, exploring letters. Okay, and then there's something called as the achievement card. So I think this is something that you will need to fill in, or this mostly has your emojis, and you would need to fill in based on what all activities your child does. And finally, there's something called as the portfolio. So this is basically things or activities that your child does. So this has a lot of plain alphabets or tracing activities that your child can do, like finger dabbing or jute dabbing, thumb printing. And finally, I found this folder in the bag. So next, let me show you, there's something called as augmented reality. Okay, so this again has flashcards of various kinds. Okay, so there are plenty of flashcards. Okay, they have been segmented. I'll just open one and I'll show you. One that I opened is mostly animals, I guess. So we have rabbit, cow, horse. Okay, so these are basically flashcards for quick learning of your child. We have, not lastly actually, there's more. There's something called as, these are theme kits. Okay, another thing that I really love, and as rightly said, they have hashtag oh happy beginning. So definitely the child is having a very happy beginning. Okay, so these are again theme kits. As you can see, these are theme kits. Okay, and these are theme kits. There are 4 of them. First theme here is My Small World, and the second one is Food I Eat. Okay, and there's another one called My Environment, Nature Around Me. Okay, so let me just open one of them. So this is Nature Around Me, that's theme number 4, and there are sub themes which are flowers, insects, dress insect up, and enjoy all seasons. So again, as you can see, there are activity based elements here. So I guess based on the theme you will be creating. Okay, so there are the small manual kind, and based on the things inside this box you can create activities to make your child learn. Okay, and this is another theme, okay, which talks about birds and if I were an animal. Okay, so there's this cute little ball. Okay, and okay, there are a few more activities that I see in here. Okay, so this is again another theme. Okay, we have another one which talks about food I eat. Okay, so this again a very nice set of elements inside this as well. And the last theme based kit that I have here is, okay, this talks about My Small World. So it has things about transport, spotlight, and the mystery of the wonder ball. And the last thing that I found in the box is this one. Okay, and this is basically a art and craft kit. Okay, so this box contains things like this. Okay, so okay, these are sponge, I guess, for coloring craft. These are your paints. Okay, these are crayons, quite a different kind. These are grasp crayons, not like the regular ones. Okay, and I guess this is a coloring book, a must need for a child of this age for sure. We all love coloring and painting. So these were some of the things in the kit. I might have missed out something because there were plenty, but this is the overall view. And so that was about it for today's video, and a very special and big thank you to Eurokids for arranging this box of happiness, and I'm sure my child and everybody else's child who has enrolled with Eurokids would definitely love it and benefit from it. And that was about it for today. So if you haven't liked the video yet, don't forget to hit on the thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe and hit on the notification bell icon to receive notifications of all our future updates and videos. So stay tuned, and I shall see you all again very soon. Till then, take care of yourselves. Thank you for watching. Take care, and bye bye.